Hi, I'm Shane Fitzgerald. It's no secret that plastic is dangerous to the planet. It is full of chemicals that can be very dangerous to us. And plastic is piling up on the land, and it's filling up the oceans. It is truly everywhere you look. So maybe it's time we replace more traditional plastic products with a safer alternative. That is where hemp comes in. Hemp, which is said to have thousands and thousands of uses, has been used for more than 10,000 years. So it's kind of confusing why it isn't used more than it is today. But it's appalling, however, that plastic, which is known to be harmful, is still used as much as it is. I went hiking this last weekend along the Platte River, wanting to get out and enjoy nature with my son. And do you know what I saw all over the place? That's right, plastic. Everywhere. It's disgusting and kind of insane that people do not see more value in our one and only home. Let me talk about why plastic is so harmful and why hemp would be a good replacement for it. In an October 1st, 2015 article titled Report Plastic Pollution in Oceans is Reaching Crisis Levels by Claire Groden, 8 million tons of plastic ends up in the oceans each year. 8 million tons of plastic ends up in the oceans each year. That is equivalent to a garbage truck pulling up to the beach and dumping its entire contents every minute for an entire year. 8 million tons of plastic. Not only is it destroying underwater ecosystems and killing marine wildlife, but it is also polluting the entire global supply of seafood. Think about that. The next time you go to Red Lobster, you could be consuming that poison. Plastic pollution on land isn't any better. Again, it is destroying ecosystems and killing wildlife. Once plastic starts breaking down, it releases harmful chemicals into the soil, which can then contaminate the groundwater or any other nearby body of water. So, it's not good. According to a January 25th, 2016 article by Chukwuma Muanya, the same plastic chemical that is used in tablecloths, packaging, and vinyl flooring can be found in your food. These items contain what are called phthalates, which are chemicals that are used to make plastic more flexible and harder to break. People are exposed to these through food packaging. A German study found that when phthalates enter the body, they can affect the hormone system, which can cause you to gain weight. So apparently, or obviously, having these chemicals in our bodies is not good for us. And not to mention the other unknown effects of having these chemicals in our bodies. We don't know what they're doing to us, but it's not good. But we could fix this. We could prevent this if we were to switch to using more hemp plastic. We wouldn't have to worry as much about these problems. Just imagine being able to take your biodegradable hemp plastic water bottle and just throwing it into the compost pile when you're done using it and forgetting about it. You wouldn't have to worry about it releasing chemicals into the environment. You wouldn't have to worry about those chemicals entering your body. And using these products would just be an extreme improvement for not only us, but for the planet. Hemp can even be used to replace conventional composites in auto parts, such as body panels. Hemp reinforced plastics is just as strong, if not stronger, than fiberglass composites, and hemp reinforced plastics weighs less, so that could also help increase fuel efficiency. There are so many things that we can replace with hemp, and again, it would be a huge improvement for us and for the planet. Another thing that is cool about hemp is that it is completely recyclable and again, biodegradable. Very good for the planet. Another thing in a May 29th, 2013 article by Logan-Janowczak, she says that hemp grows in a variety of climates and soil types. It is naturally resistant to most pests, so you wouldn't need to use pesticide, so that's another good thing. And it grows very closely together, so it outcompetes most other weeds. So it's easy to grow, and it's safe to grow. So for some reason, it is illegal to grow in certain parts of the United States, possibly because it is related to the marijuana plant, but industrial hemp does not contain enough of the ingredient that marijuana has to get you high. You cannot get high off of industrial hemp. But for some reason, it is still illegal. It shouldn't be, but it is. But we need to legalize it. Anyway, in conclusion, hemp can be used to replace many of the traditional plastics that we use today. It can help reduce our exposure to the harmful chemicals found in these plastics. It is easy to grow, it is safe to grow, it is recyclable, it is biodegradable, it is the better option. It is time that we get rid of these chemically filled plastics and start using something that isn't dangerous to us. Thank you.